Hi friends, finally great news. Kiwi Spa most advanced facial treatment that you can do at home, DIY, and it's human placenta ampules plus custom peel plus special regimen that you can use morning and night. That's how it looks. Could be an amazing gift for any occasion, but as you all know, human placenta extract is known in beauty for being a natural, rich source of powerful nutrients and bioactive compounds associated with growth, renewal, and support. In nature, the placenta plays an essential role during pregnancy by helping nourish and support the developing baby. This is why placenta-derived ingredients have attracted so much attention in skincare and beauty. Also, placenta helps a lot with melasma, pigmentation, sunspots, overall skin rejuvenation, discoloration, and it's just making skin so much younger. Look at my skin, no filters, no makeup, just a little lashes, but like here, no makeup at all. You can see I just finished my course with human placenta. I did all 7 ampules and I just like derma-roll it into my skin, and you can see that my skin looks good. I love it. I absolutely love it how it looks. In our spa, we have been testing these ampules on our models, and we have seen some very exciting results in overall look of their skin, especially in helping skin appear more refreshed, radiant, and revitalized. We now have beautiful case studies, and finally this set is ready for you to be used at home DIY. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what's inside, how to use it, and it's so easy but so exciting because you will start to see your results already in 14 days. Let's get started. So when you open a kit, you will see so many interesting things. So first of all, this is human placenta ampules. This is 2 jars of custom peel. This is our microcurrent device, derma roller, derma planing tool, numbing cream for those who have very sensitive skin, and 2 products, 2 serums. One you use in the morning and one you use at night. We do have kits with different products that you can use at night. Right now in this kit for nighttime we chose all-in-one serum, also with human placenta, and for a daytime we choose very powerful azelaic acid. So the order we're going to use it all. First of all, we need to remove all that skin, all the barriers, and that's why we created this custom peel that I have a separate video on how to use it. So highly recommended if you perform this peel first. You wait couple days until your skin peel, then you will perform a dermaplaning for yourself. I also have separate video how to do a dermaplaning, and then you will start your regimen with ampules. So I did my ampules every 5 days. If your skin is sensitive, you can do every 7 days. But this ampule, highly recommended to do on a clean skin after derma roller. So your regimen on a day when you do ampule will be cleanser, toner, and then when your skin is properly cleansed, you will take a derma roller. I have also a separate video how to use derma roller. Please roll all over your face for around 5 to 7 minutes. If you can do 10 minutes, it's better. If you see a little bit of redness, sometimes a little bit of blood, it's good. It's good. The more injuries you will create on your skin, the more you can absorb from these ampules. So I would roll for around 7 minutes, then I will open one ampule. Now look for a tiny little green spot on an ampule. Take 2 tissues in the hands and just press on this tiny green spot with the napkins and break the ampule. And then very carefully make sure that there is no like glass, and then you will put ampule straight onto your skin. straight onto your skin, just a little drops and massage, couple drops and massage. And I did it, I put like 70% of the ampule, then I took a derma roller and I would roll just a little bit more and then put the rest of the ampules. Please make sure you roll a lot around the eyes, especially if you form like a little bit fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes. Like use roller around the eyes and put more human placenta on the places where your skin it needs the most. So our laugh lines, our lines under the eyes, forehead, and any place, like if you have any pigmentation, roll there a little bit more and put the ampule. And then once you apply the ampule, you go to sleep. You don't need to do anything else with your face. After you finish apply the ampule, please don't do anything else. Do not apply any moisturizer. Just please go to sleep. And then next morning, again, cleanser, toner, then azelaic acid. Put it all over your face, also like underneath your eyes. Wait 10 minutes. Then if your skin is normal or combination or oily, do not hydrate. Just put your sunscreen and go outside. If your skin is dry, naturally dry, wait 10 minutes and put some moisturizer on top of azelaic acid and then your sunscreen, and then you are good to go. Remember that all these products are very powerful and you do need to reapply your sunscreen every 2.5 hours. For that, we would recommend the sunscreen spray. It's easier to reapply with a spray in the middle of the day because you don't need to touch your face and you will not clog your pores. And also, our Kiwi Spa spray will give you an amazing coverage. We will include video in the end talking a little bit about the spray and also link where you can check it out and purchase it if you like. And then for the night routine, on the days when you're not using ampules, you will do cleanser, toner. You can use derma roller every other day if your skin is not too sensitive. If your skin is sensitive, use it every 2-3 days. But on a day when you do ampules, derma roller is a must. On the other days, it's as you wish. But the more you do derma roller and the more this product penetrate into your skin, the faster you will see results. So I would recommend derma roller as much as you can. But I did for my skin every other day. And after derma roller, you would apply just a little bit of all-in-one serum, again, under the eyes, on top of the eyes, all over your face. And remember, your neck and your chest are extension of your face. So they do need the same treatment like your face. So roll, derma roll here, apply product here, let your skin thrive everywhere. And again, do not put any moisturizer on top of this serum. Just apply it and go to sleep. Now, about microcurrent device, I have a separate video how to use it and what it does. I highly recommend to use it 2 or 3 times a week. And from my video, you can find out how to use it. You don't need to have oil or a moisturizer to use it. I use it in the evening after that serum. So you will put it on your skin and then you don't need to slide. But I would stop it and then just replace a little bit, stop it, let current go into your skin and contract your muscle and create collagen and help the product penetrate deeper. And then I would just move a little bit upper, upper, and upper. So you don't have to do this. You can go slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And if you have a little it's kind of like twitching your muscle and you can have some flashes in front of your eyes, it's absolutely normal. Or you might have maybe a little bit of metal taste in your mouth. It's absolutely normal. You can Google what microcurrent is. You can find out through ChatGPT or Google everything about this technology. But our device is so powerful. You will definitely notice a difference. Try to do one side and smile and see how this cheek will be upper and all this side will be more lifted. And remember, this is like a gym for your face. Instead to do 40 minutes massage or a facial yoga, you can use that just for 5 minutes and it will help all these products penetrate deeper and your skin will be just so happy and so grateful to you. So try it once, love it forever, enjoy it, and give us your feedback. We will be so grateful to you about a feedback. Thank you all, love you all, and I can wait to hear from you about your experience with our all-in-one skincare advanced kit.